Hi guys, so next thing to navigate through, let me just make this big, is your workout plans. Okay, so hang on a minute, let me just stretch this out. So you want to be down here in your plans, as you can see you've got quite a selection of plans in here. Okay, quite visually labelled as to where you can do them, i.e. gym and home, etc. And also the level. So with all this as a difficulty level, anything from 1 to 5, there will be a criteria given to you or put in the Facebook group of what your starting point needs to be. Obviously level 1 is the lowest level, and then level 5 is the highest level. But all you do if you want to do one of the workouts is, in fact, let's come back with that. Let's go into here. Okay, and going into here. So I'm just going to talk a bit about these variables here. Okay, you can't actually log the session in here. I'll show you where you can log it. But this is home body comp 1.5. You see there's a little play button there with each one, and with that there'll be a video of the exercise being performed. Okay, so like that with all exercises when you do them. Okay, so not all the exercises have got coaching cues on them yet. That's something we're working on. So this is one with it. So you can see you've got exercise demonstrations with all these exercises here. You've also got the rep range going from that point onwards there. Okay, so how do you log this session? Well, let's say for example you wanted to log the session. You can't do it in here, so what you would do, you'd go into the overview there, and then you would click on schedule. Okay, so go on day there. Home body comp is what I'm looking for. Home body comp 1.5 was the one. Save changes. Okay, so you see it's in there now. Okay, it gives me an option to log the session. So I can go in and log the session now. So I'm just go here and just say, I know it's bands, it's very hard to say. Just say it's 20 kg, and you did 10 reps. Okay, and that was logged. Okay, and you did that for all of them. All the way through, then you'd save the session there. It says workout session data saved, and that's it, you're done. If you make any mistakes, you can go back in here and fill it out later. Okay, but you can do that with all these plans. Okay, they're all able to be selected when you go into your schedule and you click on your day. You've got option of picking either a rest day or all the workouts that are available for you to log. Okay. So that's it regarding plans. The only other thing to make you aware of is the filter system at the top. So the location, so where would you like to do the workout, you can filter them down. What I would do with this one, start off, we just keep it gym and home, just because this is something we need to sort out with the filter system, but until we get it fixed, just keep it to gym and home. Target area, again you can pick upper body, lower body or whole body. Difficulty, again you can go level 3, see if it filters them all out. There we go, go level 2. Okay, level 1. Okay, that's right, because it's on hypertrophy, that's right. Okay, so there we go. So obviously, and then the type, hypertrophy, which is muscle gain. Composition, which is like you basically, body composition training is another word for getting leaner or losing weight. Cardio workouts there, all sorts of cardio workouts. Let's go all. So you can see there's some cardio workouts for you to do there, some fun ones to do. And the beauty is these are all going to get added to as you go along. Some strength ones, strength workouts as well, home strength. So plenty to go at for the time being until they get added to. But any problems, just let us know.